Let me now pose a question to you. What if you could press a button, view a short video, and then get paid this much money? What if we could do it again and make this much, again and again, and there were no limits? And the greatest part is that you can accomplish all of this with nothing more than your smartphone or PC. You may start generating real money online in minutes and withdraw your funds by PayPal, Payoneer, Gcash, cryptocurrency, ATM, and a variety of other methods. In this quick little video, I'll show you brand new websites and apps that will pay you to watch videos online. Plus, I'll walk you through all the details and examples so you can make your first couple of hundreds from anywhere in the world with no investment, because this is a 100% free strategy. And remember, the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn about all the 5 websites and applications that can help you increase your profits. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Now, the first website that I want to show you that you can make money online just by watching videos is Feature Points. You can download this app from your Google Play Store or App Store for 100% free, and this is available worldwide. Take a look at this. They have been here ever since 2012. You can do contests, surveys, watch videos, or even earn cashback. There are a lot of different ways to make money, but in this video, we want to focus on just watching videos and making money simply, because that is the fastest and easiest and highest paying job that you can do on this website. If you want to sign up, just go on and put in your email right here and just click on Sign Up Now. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Now, real quick, let me give you one bonus tip. You can actually use multiple devices if you have different computers and different phones. Just use all of them to open up multiple browser tabs, and by doing that, you can watch multiple videos at the same time. Now, for me personally, I usually use Google Chrome browser and open it up to 3 or 4 different tabs, and I just let the video run automatically in the background while I do other things. Whether I'm going out or whether I'm doing my own thing, the video is still playing, meaning I'm still making money passively. The best part is I'm earning all this money quite passively in the sense that I don't put in any of the mental work, and you definitely don't need any experience to click play to watch the video, right? I hope that makes sense to you. Now, if you keep watching all the way until the end, I'm going to show you a few more other websites and apps that when you combine all of them together, you can make double, 3, 4, or 5 times more money even faster. Right now, I'll show you the second app where you can make money by simply watching videos. The second app is called App Nana. You can do this on your iOS or on your Android phone, and when you go in there, you can do plenty of different things. You can play games, do surveys, watch videos, and the point system that they're using is called Nana's Points. You can convert those Nana points into actual money. As you can see here, you earn Nanas, which you can then convert and cash out via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, bank transfer, and so many other different ways. On top of that, you can also join their referral program to earn extra money. You can just click on this link and you can go over to this page where you just have to put in all of your details and sign up. That's all you gotta do. It's actually very simple, and you can share this code on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or whatever social media platform you have. Just share this with your friends and you can make one bonus stream of income while you watch the videos yourself. Now let's go on to the third website, which is called My Points. The reason why I love this is that they give you $10 as a welcome bonus. I mean, who doesn't want that? When you join now for free, they'll give you $10 instantly in a welcome bonus without doing anything. That's absolutely mind-blowing. Now all you have to do is put in your email, your password, and just click on the Join Now button. Again, on this app, you can do a lot of different things to make money, and one of them is watching videos. If you stick with me until the end, I'll show you what kind of videos you should watch because different videos actually pay you different amounts of money. Some of them pay you at a higher rate and some of them pay you at a lower rate. So make sure you keep watching until the end and I'll show you actually which videos you should focus on. But before that, let me show you app number 4. App number 4 is App Trailers. This app has been very famous throughout the years. They have been consistently upgrading and putting out new versions, and if you're watching this right now, congratulations, because they just released a new update where you can just watch videos and then make money. This opportunity is incredible because the older version, they pay you very little, but right now with the newest version, they're going to pay you so much more money. I suggest you watch at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time, and through that way you can make a lot more money quicker. Now moving on to the final app, app number 5. This app is called Creations Rewards. You can receive $5 in a sign-up bonus with this app. Once again, by using this, you can earn free gift cards, free cash just by simply watching videos. They give you a $5 sign-up bonus, but one thing I do want to point out is that this app has been here since 2000. Once again, you can do a lot of different things on here. For example, you can take surveys, watch videos as well, visit websites, do some online shopping, complete offers, and refer your friends and family. Now for myself, I focus on watching videos and I do visit websites as well. They're all actually pretty simple without any experience needed. For this app though, I want you to just simply focus on watching videos, and if you like it and if you want more extra money, I suggest you consider completing different offers related to visiting and browsing websites. Now basically, when you log into your account, you can see something very similar to this one. Watch and explore, take surveys, download applications, refer friends, and so on. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that when you're going to log in using your phone, you're going to see daily rewards. Make sure you click on that to claim your daily reward because it gives you bonus money every time. Once again, make sure you log in every day to claim those rewards because when you do this for 30 days in a row for a whole month, you click on that every day, they're going to allow more videos for you to watch, which means that you get to earn even more money. And that's it. Well, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.